practice dialogues.
Have you ever thought about learning English?
Actually, English is such a widely spoken language, and it seems like it could open up a lot of opportunities for me.
That's true. Being able to communicate in English can be very beneficial, especially in today's globalized world. It's the language of business, travel, and international communication.
I've always felt a bit limited by my lack of English skills. I often find myself unable to fully express my thoughts or engage in conversations with English speakers.
Learning English would help you overcome those challenges. There are so many resources available nowadays, like language learning apps, online courses, and even conversation exchange programs.
I've tried a few language learning apps before, but I didn't stick with them for long. I feel like I need a more structured approach to making progress.
Have you considered taking formal English classes? Many language schools offer courses for different proficiency levels. They provide a structured curriculum and opportunities for practice with qualified teachers.
That's a good suggestion. I think having a teacher to guide me and correct my mistakes would be helpful. Plus, being in a classroom setting would give me the chance to interact with other learners.
Absolutely. Immersion and practice are key to improving language skills. Additionally, you could try finding language exchange partners or joining conversation groups where you can practice speaking English with native speakers.
That sounds like a great idea. I've heard that speaking with native speakers is one of the best ways to improve fluency and gain confidence in a language.
It makes a difference. Don't forget to also practice listening to English through movies, TV shows, and podcasts. It helps train your ear to different accents and improves your overall understanding.
I'll keep that in mind. I'm excited to embark on this English learning journey. I know it might take some time and effort, but I believe it will be worth it in the end.
Absolutely. Learning a new language is always a rewarding experience. It opens up new horizons, allows you to connect with people from different cultures, and expands your personal and professional opportunities.
I couldn't agree more. I'm ready to dive in and make English a part of my life.
I'm glad you're enthusiastic about it. Learning a new language is always a rewarding experience. Just remember to be consistent and patient with yourself. Progress takes time, but every step forward is a step closer to fluency.
Thank you for your support, Sarah. I'm motivated and ready to put in the effort. I can't wait to see how far I can go with learning English.